you got another kind of interesting video. Today I have hard drives for testing purposes. So these two are my actual drives, and my test drive I had to rip out my actual drive from it, and I put a 160 gig Western Digital into it. So I really don't care what the drive is on the inside there. I don't want to destroy my actual drive, just prefacing. And want to see how strong this is. Can it survive down the stairs? How many drops can it survive? Like all this type of stuff. Let's see. My phone, this is just an extra, just in case my phone dies. Does the drive show up? Yep, the drive shows up. You can see, drop test drive. And if I go to a video to look at, the, let's say a live demo, works perfectly fine, no problem. So, and let's start the beginning. Pocket height. And just continue doing this until how many drops it can die. Oh my god, don't tell me first drop and I already killed the drive. That's not even 1.4 meters. Lacie. We got another drop just gonna like help it out. This is the same drive that clicks. Very unhealthy noise. Now I'm going to show you how to replace a drive if it dies, because I have here a good drive how it sounds. So it flashes away when and also recognizes no windows. So and same one here, but I have like two different versions of it. So in total I have 3 Lacie drives, and this is the actual drive what is used inside. So if this dies, in case of this what happened, I show you how to replace it with another drive. You can replace it, let's say you can have a normal hard drive, you can have an SSD you can put into it, so to make it very fast drive and very durable. I actually need to do this one day to see how many drops can it survive too when the SSD inside. But yeah, the idea is you can basically just change the hard drive easily. I'll show you how to do it. Take the rubber coating. There should be 4 screws, not 3, because I was already in it. The fact of prefacing the video of I had put in 160 gig into it, so I didn't destroy my 2 terabyte. Also, you need this type of bit. And the screws are literally the same places. If you look, the screws are exactly the same place where the hard drive is. So you can make a deduction that where the logic board for a plug is there. Continue trying to rip off tank boards where there has a camera up. You can see 160 gig. Usually it's this drive inside of it, because fun fact that Lacie is actually a partner brand of oh, there's a nice dent in the corner, but if I can show you, it's Singapore is a partner brand of yeah, I have labeled, like every drive I have labeled. If you're doing this first time, there would be a do not remove sticker right there, and just imagine where it is. So it's gonna be right here. So let's say right there, and you take it something sharp or something like that, and just scrape it off like that to do, because if you don't, you're gonna rip out the board with it out. Okay, there you go. You can see there's a normal CD drive, so that means you can upgrade to an SSD with no problems. I'm actually gonna show you. So it doesn't matter what drive is it works. We're not here for this. For an SSD upgrade, we are here for replacing back to the original drive. And before you think about taking these screws and already screwed in, dude, that's not how it goes. Because I did that mistake myself once. Shopping for help. Sad. It caught the sad. So you double check if there's distance enough. You can see it doesn't, because it's like symmetric. So we need to put it like this, because you can see. There we go to explain how to do it the right way. There you go. I have my 2 terabytes into it, and now take the rubber. You can see I was actually nice doesn't even have like an enclosure method included, but so put this into this side like that. So you put this right here and hunky dory, and just make sure it lines up with the port. And now in theory, and we go back to this file explorer, you should see another drive show up. Well, okay, good, I didn't kill the board. You can see flashing, and we have our 2 terabytes. There, our 2 terabytes. Actually, fun fact about that: it's never going to be like what advertised 2 terabytes. It's always going to be a bit less. That's actually how you know product is actually real. If they're going to say 2 terabytes out of 2 that's being advertised, it's probably fake. But yeah, fixed the drive, and happy Dory. Subscribe if you liked it. If you liked it. If you didn't, you didn't. See you next post.